Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to add money on Exodus wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Exodus wallet on your device and tap the crypto you want to make the transaction with. I am going to select Ethereum. You can now add money through the receive arrow at the top right, so tap on it. Your QR code and wallet address will appear, so you can scan the code or copy the address to add money. You can also tap share and send your wallet address to deposit funds. So that's how you add money on Exodus wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.